What's up, guys? Today we got something a little different. Normally we do, cars, trucks, stuff like that. We got a few other projects going on, but I kind of wanted to step away from that for once and kind of see what you guys think. We've got a fun little project here at my house garage. It's a little bit of a mess here. Been so busy at the shop that I haven't really had the time to give this place the attention it needs, but here it is. Let's check out what I got going on. So, for the longest time, I've had these little Razor go-karts kicking around. It's like a little electric go-kart thing, battery powered, and this one just doesn't take a charge anymore, and I kind of got, sick of fiddling with it, sick of spending money on it. The thing only goes like 5 miles an hour. So, I kind of had this idea. I've seen a few videos on YouTube, people modifying the electric motors on them and putting bigger batteries and all different things, try to make them go faster. I even saw one guy that put like a 79cc Harbor Freight motor on it. But I think we're going to go a little crazier than that. So I got a 212 Harbor Freight 6.5 horse motor, and see if we can make this thing fit. All right, so obviously we got to get rid of all this old electric motor. We're going to take the seat off for now, see what we got to work with, and definitely got to make a plate to mount this motor on. But let's get this thing apart. Alright, so I can already see a couple issues here. First one's going to be this bar in the back. It's going to stop me from being able to mount the motor. Keep the seat in the spot that it's supposed to be in. The motor's going to have to be back pretty far behind the rear axle, and I'm going to have to cut this thing out of the way. The other issue we're going to have is this car doesn't have a live axle. The axle goes all the way across, but it's not keyed on this side. I kind of did a little research before I got into this, and I realized that the later model ones, a lot of them were only one-wheel drive. So I ended up getting lucky. I found an axle out of one of the older drifter ones that's keyed on both sides. So we're going to swap that axle out and get this bar cut out of the way and start getting a plate made up for the motor. This thing's going to be nuts. Alright, plate's done. Now it's time for the axle. Whew. All right, guys, here it is. Wasn't really expecting to get it done in one night, but here we are. So, got the thing running, got the throttle hooked up, brakes work, everything's good. So, at this point, it's just a matter of taking it for a ride tomorrow morning. It's around 10:30. I don't really think my neighbors would appreciate me flying around the streets on this thing. So, let's see what happens. See you guys tomorrow morning. Really hope you guys like this one. I had a ton of fun building this thing. Definitely want to do more projects like this. So if this is something you guys are interested in, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I mean, we can definitely get more of these things going on if this is what you guys want to see. I'm even considering maybe eventually doing a giveaway with this thing. And I don't know, we could talk more about that later on. Like I said, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll try to keep them coming.